did it go? Here, here's the duck. Have you seen the ball? Where is the ball? Huh? Where is it? Where? Where is the ball at? Have you seen it? Huh? Here, the ball! It's about this big and it's orange. Have you seen it? Where is it at? Where is the ball at? Huh? It's like a basketball. It's about that big. Have you seen it? No? Maybe ask Grandma if she's seen it. Does she know where it is? Huh? I don't know. Have you seen it at all? It's probably rolling around here somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know. Ask Grandma. She's all messed up over there.